Hi guys, how are we? I'm Mark from Treasure Hunting Scotland. Welcome along to this video. Today we're going to be doing depth tests on the Nokta Macro Simplex. Right, where do we start? Well, apparently this machine has been said to be up there with an £800 machine. I think it costs £350 odd to buy with headphones, or 400 with headphones, I can't quite remember. One of the two. I went for without the headphones. It's meant to be waterproof, up to 10 meters, so it can be used in water. So yeah, I'm going to kind of swing you around and show you a little bit about the Nokta Macro Simplex. So to switch this machine on, you just hit the button here, hold it in, let it go. Now you can see when it loads up, all metal mode. That looks like field, and I think that's beach. I don't know what that is, field probably perhaps as well, but yeah. So we'll get 4 different types. I normally leave it on all metal mode, because the reason I'm going to say this, and I'm probably going to sound bad saying this, if you have a Garrett and you don't leave it on all metal mode, you used to miss hammered coins. I'm not saying that this machine is down there with a Garrett, but you know, all metal mode, I'll take my chances just so I can hear everything. If you're getting a plus 99 with this signal, avoid digging it. Chances are it's going to be deep iron, and really there's no real need to be digging deep iron all day long. A machine like this will keep you digging iron all day long if you're digging all metal mode at plus 99. Used to be with the DS we would stop about 95, 96. Sometimes because you could get high silver and bronze up about 94, 95. You know, big silver, bronze, round about that area with the DS. So I'm not saying all machines are the same, but generally you get this kind of sort of idea that most coils and machines are the same, and they do produce signals round about that area, which can be big silver, big bits of bronze. So yeah, just never discriminate. Anything higher than 95 I wouldn't dig probably with the DS, but this is a simplex. So yeah, like I was saying, that's a simplex. So we're going to do depth tests on it. We'll try it from 10 inches and above, and then we'll move up the way in inches, putting fines in. Basically I'm going to explain a little thing, right? People say you've got to walk over it to find it. I don't believe in that at all, right? My main reason for saying this is your machine's got to actually see it for you to find it. If your machine's got a slow recovery rate and a kind of mineralised ground, you're going to find it hard to pick up targets down 10, 11 inches. There are better machines out there for the quality and price. I highly recommend the DS. It's very good for picking up, well, maybe people will say not deep signals, but hammered coins with a big coil. And I think the big coil just gets you that slight bit more depth, maybe an inch or two. Not so much a great depth with the kind of standard coil or the small coil. I think the big coil with the DS is slightly better. You can just maybe hear a little squeak more. The one fault the DS does have is when you get a hammered coin and then it's deep, it can sometimes just be the slightest little squeak. But if you hear that slightest little squeak, you want to be digging it. Now, how's the best way to put this? Probably the best way to put it is, if you've got a £150 Garrett, you're probably clearing the first 67 inches. So if you go into a field and you hammer the fields, and just say 20 other people go on with a Garrett as well and they hammer the field, you're only getting the first 67 inches of that field. Now, everything underneath that could be 10 to 11 inches, whereas I could go in with a DS and clean up, because the DS has got a great recovery rate in mineralised ground, and I do fix things up at 9 and 10 inches. Deepest thing I've ever had with the DS was at 14 inches, which was a Roman bangle, which I found. 14 inches. Now, basically what I'm saying is I'm saying that the kind of lower end machines will clear stuff on the field for the first 6 to 7 inches. If you imagine, just for instance, you went in a club dig and 40 people are using Garretts and you're all over the fields and you're hammering the fields and you're cleaning them out, and then you start going over them, there's not a lot of signals, weak signals, not a lot of signals. So just say for instance the field's absolutely been battered, so you're not getting any more signals. I guarantee you if I went on with certain machines that I would find stuff. Now I do like a bliss tool. I've had the pleasure of using a bliss tool, I've had the pleasure of using a CTX. Not mine of course, just different days with different people that I've met, and you do get really deep signals. The only problem is with some of the machines is, well, with the bliss tool it's a one signal for everything. If it sounds good, you dig it. Sort of like a Garrett, but there is machines out there that can do it. Like I was saying there, if you've got a pasture field that hasn't been ploughed in 20-30 years, right, if you went on with a Garrett and you absolutely battered the field for 10 years and you just say nothing else is coming up, if you went on it with a high-end machine, I guarantee you, DS, CTX, something high-end, I guarantee you would pick something up on that field. Now the reason that you would pick something up on that field is because a DS has a fast recovery rate. It goes down through mineralised ground, it'll maybe jump down past the iron and pick up a signal underneath, maybe 10-11 inches, whereas your Garrett might only hit in the first 7 inches. It sees the iron and it's thrown back to you, an iron signal, whereas the DS might bypass the iron signal and pick up the bit of silver, the coin, the bit of bronze or whatever it is. So basically some people have put the kind of nokta makro simplex up there with an £800 machine. I'm going to do depth tests with it at 10 inches. I want to see if it can pick big silver up at 10 inches, what kind of signal it gives back, and if it's good and if it's capable of keeping up with the big boys. So today we're going to get a wee hole dug, 10 inches, we'll get it measured and we'll show you, and we'll do some depth tests on silver, bronze, you know, silver ring, bit of gold, and try and work out what's what kind of signals are coming up for, to help you guys out, you know, to go out onto a field and say bang bang 66, Mark says that's round about a silver range or round about a gold range. So it's just to give you an idea of what signals are coming up for if you're buying this machine, because it's relatively new. You know, I'm just going to try and help people out. We'll go out into the field, or a field, we'll take you to a medieval field. In Stirling, we're going to take you a medieval field where I've had hammer coins out of, and we'll see if it picks up anything if we're lucky, because there's been an early plough there at Christmas and hopefully we will get something. The only thing that might halt us with this is as we're coming up to well, the coronavirus. They're talking about a lockdown, so the only thing that might halt us getting up there is basically the coronavirus lockdown. So we'll just see what happens with it. Okay, so let's get these depth tests on and we'll see how we get on with them. About 10 inches on this, right? 10 inches on that. We've got a bit of gold in the hole. Just to show you, it is 10. Right, 10 inches on that. We've got a bit of gold in the hole. So let's see how the nokta makro picks up the bit of gold at 10 inches. It's a gold ring. You're going to ask me, what do I think before I put the coil over it? I don't think the nokta makro will get it. I don't think it's a good enough machine, and that's my view for the money. Hear it? Small little squeak. It struggles, as I said it would. And I'll actually dig it up live to show you that there is a ring down there at 10 inches. To make sure it's not come out. There you go. 10 inches it was down there. That's the first feel for it. It's like I said to you, just before I did it, I wanted to explain that the first 6 inches are crucial for a machine, and anything below 10 you will miss. That proves it. It's not up there with the big boys, and that's a gold ring. So that's 10 in a gold ring. Right, let's measure it out now for something else. Right, there you go. 8 to the top, 8 Let's see how it copes at 8 inches with a gold ring. Again, how do I think this is going to cope? It's going to fail, right? I can't see it. You can hear it slightly starting to get it a bit better. Maybe somebody would dig that. I'd dig a signal like that with the Daves, but not with this machine. And that's 8 inches. And I'm not just trying to do this to be funny, I'm just giving you an honest opinion of how I thought this machine would cope. I don't even know if it's out or not. Let's have a look. There you go, it's out. 8 inches. And it's not like the machine doesn't pick it up, because you heard it. Gold ring. 8 inches. Show you I'm not biased in what I'm saying. Here's a 6 inch. Okay, 6 inch to the top, 6 inch. And I'll show you, this machine probably will get this now. Should get this gold ring, no problem. Yeah, but if this machine finds something big... Right, look. And again, I'll dig it live for you to show you. But that machine isn't picking up gold. And that was at 6 inches. Up again, just listen. It's still in that hole. If that's struggling to pick that up at 6 inches, that is a really bad sign. I would say that's a really low end machine. And that's why I tried to explain that to you at the beginning of how I thought this would actually end up. Just doesn't like that ring, yeah. Doesn't like gold. 6 inches and it struggled. We'd virtually have to be sitting on the top for you to get it. You'd have to have that ploughed over, you know, ploughed up, fields turning. In a pasture field you're going to struggle to get that. Hopefully this one should do a bit better. This is 8 inches. 8 inches on big silver. Well, 50% silver. It's Georgia 6. Hopefully it should get this. Hopefully 8 inches. If it's whack and it's struggling at that. It's getting it. That's weak. Let's see how it copes in the other signals if it wasn't all metal. Oh, listen to that, man. That's way better. Oh, that's the business now. 8 inches in big silver, not a problem. Excellent, not a problem at 8 inches. It just didn't like that gold, eh? Oh, you definitely dig that all day long. The gold's back in there at 8 inches again. We're going to try this gold again. 8 inches. We'll use not an all metal mode this time, but the second one in, which was like a field mode. I think that's beach and I think that's for in water. Right, it does struggle on gold. Move it along again. No. Yeah, it's struggling to pick up rings. Very weak. Struggles on rings, struggles on the old gold, but the silver was alright. Eight inches again on a small 3D. Let's see how the machine copes with that. 8 inches and a small 3D silver coin. Ask me what I think of this machine. I think it struggles to pick up small items at depth. small 3D this time. Virtually nothing coming from it at depth. To show you that, I'll move it back to field. Then I'll move it back to all metal mode. It's struggling, but it's getting it slightly. That's a struggle. I would say that's a struggle. So for what I'm seeing so far is anything below 8 inches you're not going to get, 6 inches you're not going to get. And that's what you would expect from a machine like this, a lower end machine. Yeah, so I think I've proved enough to show you that that machine would struggle to 8 inches, which I thought it would. Like I said to you, low end machines, 6 inches. High end machines, 10 to 12. No problem, there's machines out there that you can clean up with. The DS cleans up. What you've gathered from this depth test is the nokta macro doesn't like small targets. And it's exactly how I thought it would be. And I did try to explain it to you at the beginning of the video, but you know, I'm always willing to give a machine its chance and prove its worth in gold. Didn't prove it, did it? Struggled at 8, struggled at 6 for the gold, struggled at 6 and 8 for the small silver. It's not to say that that's going to be the same out in the field, so yeah, I know what we're going to do right now. Let's take this bad boy out onto the field and give it a go, because it can be a biased depth test. You know, you've opened up the ground, you've buried it 6 to 8 inches. Sometimes it's not, you know, it's not 100%. So I'm always willing to give a machine the benefit of the doubt. Let's take it out onto a medieval site. Got an hour's drive ahead of me now. And I'm just going to do it today. I'm going to get this video done and dusted. So we're going to move to a medieval site. And we'll catch you there. And hopefully we'll get some nice finds.